Ho ho ho! A very warm Merry Christmas in advance to everyone watching us live on the Neelam Saxena page. I'm Purna, your cheerful reindeer host for today's festive celebration. Thank you for joining us in this beautiful season of love, kindness, and hope. Today, we promise you stories, music, laughter, and yes, even a little bit of mischief. Let me introduce all of you to our very special guests. Please welcome Santa Claus herself, Wahida ma'am. And right next
Oh,
to
oh,
her,
oh, 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 oh.
thank you so much for coming, Santa Claus, right from North Pole. And next to her, we have a very special guest, straight from Santa Claus's naughty list, the naughty boy, Anoop Uncle, Anoop Jalanji. Let's see if he can behave today. Also, we have Meera Bhansali, our beautiful Gothic Christmas story writer, Urvi Mehta, who is our melodious carol singer, and the lady who binds this entire show together, no other than Nivedita Royji, who is going to be our beautiful narrator for today evening. So let us give all our guests a huge round of applause. And to begin our evening, let us listen to this beautiful Christmas story, which is significant according to the theme by our wonderful narrator, Nivedita ji. Over to you, Nivedita ji.
Thank you, Puna. Thank you for organizing such a cheerful Christmassy evening. So just a bit of, just a bit of the beginning of story of Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, his parents. So it came to pass in those days that a decree went out from Caesar Augustus that census karana chahiye. So everybody had to go to the town they belonged to from their father's side. So Joseph also traveled with Mary from Nazareth to Bethlehem. तो क्योंकि सेंसस चल रहा था और सारे इन सब कुछ भरे हुए थे, बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ थी, तो उन दोनों को कहीं जगह नहीं मिली. सो दे हैड टू जस्ट मेक डू इन एन इन. और हिंदी में अगर आप देखें तो उसका शब्द इस्तेमाल होता है सराय. एंड देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिश्चियन सॉन्ग्स व्हिच सेज कि सराय में भी जगह ना मिली. So the sacrificial life starts from there, the humility, the staying in touch with the people who are close to the ground, poor people, वो वहीं से शुरुआत हुई थी. So the manger, चरनी जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं, staying close to the manger, staying close to the ground and no riches was the beginning of the life which was to come ahead. So that is how the story begins from the manger. Thank you, Purna.
Lovely. Thank you so much for throwing some light on how the entire Christmas celebration began. And yes, dear viewers, all these lovely stories come from the Bible. So Nivedita ji will be taking us through small stories this entire evening. And now, our very beautiful Santa Claus Wahida Hussain has a beautiful list. And in her list, there features a naughty boy, Anup Jalan. So over to Anup Jalan ji and Wahida Hussain ji, as Anup Jalan has some few questions for the Santa Claus herself.
Oh, 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 oh. Let him ask,
ऐसा
let him ask.
ए संता भाई, आप अकेले आए हो? आपका वो बंता भाई किधर है? साथ में
मैं
आया नहीं?
नहीं, मेरा साथ संता भी आया है. बंता के साथ संता. संता माय स्पेक्स.
अच्छा,
I'm a
तो आप
modern
संता है,
Banta
फिर
with
बंता किधर
Santa.
है? आप
Santa
बनता है
with
तो
Banta.
अच्छा, तो आप वो संता बनता वाली
नहीं,
संता
I'm
हो.
Santa, but I came with my Banta.
ओके.
I came with my Banta with a lot of gifts for you all. And your gift, I won't be giving it to you. It will be delivered by Krampus. Now, what you said?
अब ये देखो, ये गलत
Naughty
बात है.
boys, they
मेरी
don't
शक्ल
get.
देखो आप. नहीं संता भाई, आप पहला मेरा शक्ल देखो. मैं कितना अच्छा लग
नहीं,
रहा हूँ.
नहीं.
गुड बॉय लग रहा हूँ कि
Naughty
नहीं?
boys, no gift for naughty boys. Only for good,
मैं गुड बॉय लग रहा हूँ
good
कि नहीं?
children.
ये
Only for
पूर्णा
good,
आंटी ने मेरे को
good
फालतू में
children. These
मेरे
are
को
gifts
नॉटी
for
बॉय
only
का
good
लिस्ट में
children.
डाला.
My goodie bag.
तो आप पहला मेरे को ये बताओ कि आप ये गिफ्ट लाते हो किधर से लाते हो? हाँ संता भाई,
Well, I have a large godown, I should say, where I keep all my gifts. Secret, it is a secret underground. It is okay. I
अच्छा
bring it from there. Sometimes they're heavenly gifts also with showers. From it pours down from the sky, and it
अरे
comes
बाप
to
रे,
me only for good
तो उधर
people
से गिरता है तो
who
टूटता नहीं
does
है गिफ्ट?
good.
ऊपर से
उधर से
गिरता है।
नहीं
ऊपर से
गिरता, नहीं
गिरता है,
गिरता। ऊपर
टूटता
से
नहीं
तो
है?
गिरता है, जरूरी नहीं है। सेब गिरता है तो टूटते, कहाँ टूटता है? न्यूटन लॉ नहीं पढ़ा लगता नॉटी बॉय ने।
अभी अभी मेरे को इधर एक क्वेश्चन एक और आ रहा है कि आप लेके आते हो
हाँ बोले
सारे
ना।
दुनिया में, उससे अच्छा उसको अमेजोन फ्लिपकार्ट से क्यों नहीं भिजवा देते हो? सबको इजी पड़ेगा नहीं?
वो चार्म कैसे
बात
लगेगा
जो
फिर?
है वो दिल की होती है। अमेजोन और फ्लिपकार्ट में दिल कहाँ मिलते हैं? जो बात जो
Very
अरे
देने की
मिलते
होती
हैं,
है तो वो फ्लिपकार्ट और अमेजोन से नहीं हो सकता है। हम तो डिलीवर करते हैं। आई एम अ वेरी ओल्ड डिलीवरी बॉय। फ्रॉम एजेस वी आई हैव बीन डिलीवरिंग।
हाँ पर वो अगर इतना
You
ओल्ड
won't
डिलीवरी बॉय है
understand,
तो
naughty boy.
चिमनी से नीचे
You
कैसे
belong
उतर?
to this
अरे वो
generation.
चिमनी
You
में,
won't
हाउ डू यू गेट
understand
डाउन
it.
फ्रॉम द चिमनी?
Hmm?
डोंट योर बोन्स एक व्हेन यू गेटिंग डाउन फ्रॉम द चिमनी? डोंट योर
I
बोन्स
squeeze
एक?
myself. I squeeze myself. And there's a potion, magic potion I drink. And I
अच्छा,
squeeze, 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 and I become slim, very slim, and very slim.
तो किसी को
Lovely.
गिफ्ट में मैजिक पोशन भी दे सकते हो क्या? यहाँ पे और भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको चाहिएगा थोड़ा स्लिम होने के लिए।
हाँ,
देखो
सबको
मीरा ने
चाहिए।
हाथ उठाया।
You can have that.
Thank you,
एक्चुअली
Everybody
Santa.
wants.
मीरा के
All
लिए
women folks,
स्लिम
they
का
want
पोशन
magic
देना।
potion.
Lovely, lovely. Yes,
तो
Santa,
हम
we
बाद में
all
ना और
want.
क्वेश्चन बाद में पूछेंगे। हाँ
हाँ हाँ, डन डन डन। अभी तो
Hmm.
बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सांता क्लॉज को पूछने हैं, तो बट बिफोर वी बिगिन, लेट अस अगेन इनवाइट निवेदिता जी for a second Christmas narrative and another reflection on Christmas.
Thank you, Purna. I had to be muted because of all the naughty people here. And I don't want to get into the bad books of Santa. I do need my Christmas gift. So Santa, with your permission, Santa, I will be the good girl. So I will tell you all a little bit about the shepherds and their significance, and a little bit about the angel, because that is some story and we have a lot of songs related to that. Now there were in the same country shepherds living out in the fields, keeping watch over their flock by night. And behold, an angel of the Lord stood before them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were greatly afraid. So imagine a scenario: it's a dark night, the shepherds are keeping watch so they can, shoo away the wild animals and protect their cattle. And suddenly you have a bright light and angels. So the angels proclaim, then, do not be afraid, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy, which will be to all the people. For there is born to you this day in the city of David a Savior, who is Christ the Lord. And this will be the sign to you: you will find a babe wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying in a manger, which I connect to the older reflection that I told you. And suddenly there was with the angels a multitude of heavenly hosts, praising the God and saying, Glory to God in the highest, for on earth peace, goodwill towards men. And as you said, that's why Christmas brings the message of hope, peace, love, and joy.
That is such
Yeah.
a heartwarming tale, Nivedita ji. And it reminds us of one of the Christmas carols, Angels We Have Heard So High. And
Yes.
yes, and with that beautiful narrative, we'd like to move over to Urvi ma'am, who's a Visharad in Hindustani classical Sangeet, and she is going to sing a beautiful Christmas carol for us. She is our singer. So please give her a huge round of applause and let us hear a Christmas carol.
Thank you so much, Poorna, for such a warm welcome. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while peace and flowers, rock hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. No
Oh,
more let sins and sorrows roll, nor thorns infest the ground. He comes to make his blessings flow, far as the curse is found, far as the curse is found, far as the curse is found. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love. Thank
wow.
you.
That was wonderful, wasn't it, dear
Beautiful,
guests? Really.
beautifully sung. Yes.
And took us
Absolutely
to
lovely.
yes, it took us to our school days. And this is the first time I tell you, I'm listening to the entire carol, Joy to the World. Generally, we only listen to the first two stanzas. So thank you so much, Oti ma'am, for sharing this beautiful carol with us. But now we have some entertainment with Santa Claus again and the naughty boy from the list. Over to Anoop sir.
Oh.
Ma'am.
नहीं तो Santa ji, there is another question which I had for you. You said you are bringing all these presents to everybody, you are keeping them stored. And who is making those presents for you? What wages do you pay them?
Nobody
Labor
brings
laws follow
presents for
करते हो?
me. Hmm?
No, but somebody must be making the presents for you, na? Otherwise, how do you give presents?
No, I'm not able to. It's not audible.
I said somebody must be making the presents. बनाता कौन है प्रेजेंट आपके लिए?
अरे
वर्कर
हम
लोग
ही
बनाते हैं
बनाते
ना?
हैं. I get the
वर्कर
whole
लोग बनाते
year.
होएगा ना?
कौन लोग
अरे नहीं,
बनाते
ऐसा
हैं?
थोड़ा ही होता है. वर्कर लोग बनाता होएगा, तुम लोग
कोई
लेबर लॉ
वर्कर नहीं
फॉलो
है.
नहीं करता
कोई
है.
I am my own worker. The whole year in the summers I prepare for the winters.
अच्छा, अच्छा,
Yes,
वो
I'm
स्क्विरल
just
के
like the
जैसा.
chick. I'm like the ant. You know what the ant do in the
हम्म,
summers? They collect food. I collect present. That is what
Oh,
Santa
अच्छा,
does the whole year.
okay. Anup
ऐसा.
uncle, I also heard that Santas
हाँ,
have elves. There are magical
हम्म.
elves who work for them. And I believe that
Yes.
yeah.
बराबर बात है. अभी वो
You know
बताना
these.
नहीं चाहती है. She doesn't want to talk
Nay,
about
now
the
these
elves
days these
because
elves
then
have
the
become
labor
very
laws will come and
lazy.
catch her.
They are Gen Z elves. They are very lazy. They
LCLs.
don't want to do anything. The
अरे
whole
देखो, पूरा
work we
पूरा
do.
जनरेशन
We
को
are the
लेजी बोलता है
ones.
सेंटा. ऐसा कैसा सेंटा? सारा
अरे
जनरेशन
बहुत.
को लेजी बोलता है सर.
नहीं तो
Very
जनरेशन जैसी होगी वैसी बोलना पड़ेगा ना सेंटा को भी. सेंटा भी तो यही
Not fair,
जनरेशन में है
Santa.
अभी.
Santa, you are going on the lazy, on the naughty list of all your followers. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा.
तो ये सब
हाँ,
चलेगा.
सर.
जो हकीकत है वो हकीकत है.
Elves have taken their. अभी
Elves
क्या
have
बोल
also
रही मीरा?
they've
Elves
become
have
very
taken their
lazy.
vote. ऐसा नहीं होता है मैडम. ऐसा नहीं होता है सेंटा भाई.
मैडम नहीं.
थोड़ा समझ.
मैं आई एम सर सांता.
हाँ, सर संता भाई, संता भाई.
Santa bhai.
तो हाँ, तो संता भाई अभी बताओ कि आप अगर खुद ही बनाते हो तो उसका फिर क्वालिटी कंट्रोल कौन करता है?
आई एम माई ओन क्वालिटी कंट्रोलर.
पहला बनाने का भी खुद, चेकिंग भी खुद करने का, दे के भी खुद आने का.
खुद ही कंट्रोल. आई एम माई ओन बॉस सांता.
ऐसा
Dawn.
थोड़ा ही होता है. इसीलिए देखो ना, अभी मेरे को कोई गिफ्ट नहीं मिला, पूर्णा को कोई गिफ्ट नहीं मिला, मीरा को कोई गिफ्ट नहीं मिला.
मिलेगा
आपके ऊपर
मिलेगा.
कोई
Don't.
चेक रखने वाला होना चाहिए.
You
आपके ऊपर
need.
कोई चेक
Wait,
रखने
wait.
वाला.
At the
निधि को
end
एक
of the
कैप
program,
मिला.
you will get. Wait.
अच्छा,
हाँ.
after the program only we'll get. मुझे लगा कि we
हाँ.
need to wait till 25th.
You need to wait till Christmas also.
हाँ.
But
Right.
naughty boy will not get anything.
पूर्णा आंटी, यू हैव टू टेल हर. ऐसा नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू टेल
No,
सेंटा,
we
आई एम
are
नॉट अ
going to,
नॉटी बॉय.
before
Only-
naughty boy cries, Santa, you please give him something. Just look how innocent his tears are.
Oh, all the
How-
naughty boys are innocent.
Thank you so much, naughty boy, for showcasing your beautiful emotions. And thank you, Santa ji. Please give them a huge round of applause as we go to the third narrative for Christmas. So again, I would like to invite Nivedita ji, and she will be sharing with us another lovely Christmas thought.
Here, the Santa is really very naughty, kind of very कंजूस. So, इतना miserly Santa हमको LW जीप में ही मिलना था. देखो, कुछ बता नहीं रहा, कुछ शेयर नहीं कर रहा, गिफ्ट नहीं लेके आया. तो चलो आज थोड़ी सी बात सेंटा के बारे में करते हैं. सेंटा आप सुन लो, so that if you have a short term memory loss, आपको remind कर दें. So Santa Claus actually is a legendary figure whose story blends in history with a famous bishop, padri as we call, Saint Nicholas from the 4th century. So he was known to be sharing a lot of gold. Actually, the story goes like that. We don't know how much truth is there. He helped poor people with gold for dowries for their daughter. So you know how the stories and the actions keep evolving through the centuries. So ultimately, it got associated with Christmas. But Christmas is a time to share care, show love, especially towards the underprivileged. तो वो कनेक्ट होते होते ऐसा हो गया कि some people started saying कि Santa आएगा और जो बच्चे अच्छे से behave कर देंगे. मम्मी पापा also played a lot with this idea, you know, कि अच्छे से behave करो, अच्छे बच्चे बन के रहो तो Santa आएगा. And they would hang small things around the Christmas tree to show कि भाई तुम अच्छे थे तो Santa आया. But it is basically anybody with a Santa's heart who can provide something. And that also brings me to quickly add up here that the Christmas tree also has another significance, which is not directly related to the birth of Jesus. It's just a tradition that kept on getting connected with Christmas. Family time, because we decorate it together. The star on top, again, the guiding light with Jesus, as we believe, is the small things that we hang. You know, there is a angel का picture होगा, वो balls होंगे, everything related to the spirit of Christmas, sharing, the shepherds, the reindeers, everything. So it's all getting just connected to Christmas, but has nothing to do with the story of Jesus's birth. Thank you, Purna.
So great. Thank you so much, Nivedita
Thank
ji.
you.
So
Nice.
this is where all the fun elements, of Christmas are beautifully explained by you, which, we were not aware. And that's what makes Christmas such a wonderful festival, wherein the entire family comes together and the children enjoy. And there is a little bit of fun for each and every person. So with this, thank you, Neelam ma'am, for joining in. And yes, we'll all give you gifts if you write good things for
Sure,
us.
sure.
And thank you for your beautiful compliments as well. You are making us smile, blush, and laugh. With this, a Christmas event is without a story, is like a flower without scent. And I would like to now invite our lovely Gothic writer, Meera Bhansali, who is going to narrate a horror Christmas story. So please give Meera Bhansali ji a huge round of applause as she narrates her story to all of us.
Thank you so much, Purna. So, this is specially for Anupaya, the story, I mean to say. Okay. The streets were quiet. Nobody wants to linger out in this cold. except the hungry. From the shadows they come, small boots tapping softly, bells muted, laughter that makes your bones go still and the feet rooted to the ground. Elves are what you call them, all 13 at once. But these are not the cheerful kind in green. I see Purna has also worn green, so they are not cheerful like Purna. These are the ones whose clothes are red, soaked in blood. They hunt. Whom, you ask? Of course, the naughty one, like our Anupaya.
Hmm.
The good ones get gifts. But what do you think happens to the naughty ones? The ones named Zypher, Raven, Morbid, Green, Lusty, Tarek, Throne, and many such elves. They move house to house, peering through the decorated windows, sniffing mischief like Satan's hellhound. Naughty thoughts, cruel intentions, secrets. Aha, you thought no one knew. Their stomachs growl for food. What do they eat, you ask? Ah, of course, the naughty ones. They don't eat, but they devour them slowly, one limb at a time. A giggle slips into the night. Then another. The pointed ears twitch as screams, half laughter, half terror. Echo briefly before vanishing. Eyes glow green and hungry, reflecting inhuman love. Sledges creak forward, bells finally ringing at the 13th hour. Then they disappear down the street. Only one sound lingers in the cold air. Ha 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 ha! That's a warning, a reminder that you better behave till next Christmas.
This was so
Yes.
gripping, Miraji. It was such a wonderful story, and the way you narrated it with so much of emotion, it actually made us shudder. And yes, Anup Jalanji over here, who's posing as the naughty boy from the Santa's naughty list, is actually in a little bit of trouble because, according to Meera ma'am, all the kids get
Yes.
devoured limb by limb.
Limb, limb.
Oh my God.
He's got goosebumps at that.
Let me
I
tell you,
froze at that.
Purna auntie, let me tell you, this Santa bhai and this Meera madam, they are actually twins.
Is
They are
it?
both. This is
Both?
the evil twin. वो नहीं पिक्चर में होता है कि एक
हाँ.
दो
कुंभ
ट्विन
मेले में.
बिछड़ जाते हैं कुंभ मेले में जाके one becomes good, one becomes bad. तो ये
अच्छा.
वैसा है. This Santa Claus became the good boy and started giving gifts. And Meera auntie is Krampus actually.
Oh.
And
Meera auntie
she
is what?
Krampus. And Krampus is the evil
Krampus.
equivalent of evil
Satan.
equivalent of Santa, who's only
Santa.
doing this kind of work, punishing people, मारिंग
Dark
आके
companion.
धड़ाधड़ मार के मारिंग पीपल. ऐसा नहीं करने का. क्रिसमस टाइम इज टाइम फॉर गुड, टाइम टू बी मेरी, टाइम टू बी जॉयस, पिटीफुल. सब कुछ अच्छा होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं भूत के जैसा काम करने का. मीरा बहन, ऐसा काम नहीं अच्छा लगता है.
Meera babe. Meera babe is really good.
No, it was absolutely wonderful. Thank you for entertaining us to the core. And back to Anup ji and Wahida ji as they, do their final act of role play between Santa Claus and the naughty boy. So let's see if the naughty boy has some more questions for Santa Claus.
I have one question.
Hmm.
I understand that, okay, Santa Claus is working all throughout the year, and on 25th, Santa Claus is going and giving gifts and taking a magic potion so he can squeeze through the chimney. But my question is कि वो बच्चे लोग का दूध और बिस्किट क्यों खा जाता है?
वो हंगरी होता बेचारा, इतने घर घर घूम घूम के थक जाता है, सबके स्टॉकिंग्स को
अरे पर
भर
वो
भर
बच्चे
के।
लोग का था, ऐसे कोई बच्चे लोग का खाना थोड़े ही ना खाते हैं सेंटा। खाने
जो
का है तो
मिलता है वो
मीरा
खा
के घर
जाते
जाओ,
हैं, जो
मीरा
मिलता
के
है वो खा
आंटी के घर
जाते हैं।
जाने का, उर्वी आंटी
सैंटा
के घर जाने का, निवी आंटी के घर जाने
किसी
का,
के घर
वो
जाने का, पूर्णा
खिलाएंगे
के घर
आपको।
जाने का।
नहीं, पूर्णा कुछ नहीं खिलाती, वो खुद भी नहीं खाती है, कुछ दूसरे को भी नहीं खिलाती है।
पूर्णा बेचारी खुद ही बची है अभी तो।
बिल्कुल।
हाँ, बट वो तो है, अनूप अंकल के दूध और बिस्किट जरूर खा लेंगे इस बार सैंटा क्लॉज।
पर
सही है।
सेंटा भाई
हम्म,
एक लास्ट का रिक्वेस्ट हमको है ना,
हम्म।
आपको हो तो हमने ऐसा सुना, पर आपको कभी गाना गाते नहीं सुना मैं।
गाना,
एक बार एक
माय
सेंटा
गॉड,
क्लॉज बन के कोई गाना भी गा के सुनाओ ना।
एवरीबॉडी विल रन अवे।
नहीं नहीं, कोई नहीं, हम लोग सब कान बंद कर लेंगे, आप गाना गाओ।
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. I don't remember the lyrics also. You all sing along with me. Come on.
इसका
Jingle
हिंदी
bell.
वर्जन मेरे को आता है, आप गाओ, बाद में आपको अपना हिंदी वर्जन सिखाना। बोलो,
Come on. Start.
जिंगल बेल बोलो ना।
Jingle bell.
Jingle all the way.
Oh,
Riding a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells,
jingle
jingle
bells,
bells all
jingle
the
all
way.
the way. Santa
Oh,
Claus
what
is coming
fun
on
it is
a
to rise in a one-horse open sleigh.
dashing
और
through
इसका
the
मालूम हिंदी वर्जन भी था, टूर्नामेंट
हाँ,
इसका हिंदी वर्जन था,
हाँ।
पिक्चर में आया था 74 का पिक्चर में।
गाओ ना प्लीज
आता है संता क्लॉज आता है, रात को आपके घर में घुस के क्या क्या कर जाता है, हे संता आता है।
ये तो आपने बनाया है अभी।
हाँ, नया लिरिक्स है।
पर सेंटा क्लॉज कुछ भी बोलो, आपको है ना, मेरे को जैसे बच्चे लोग को भी गिफ्ट देना चाहिए यार, ऐसा नहीं, दिस इज नॉट फेयर संता।
No, you won't get. You will get. Don't worry. You will get. Naughty boys, they sometimes get.
Oh,
When they behave, they
that's a
get.
good
Very good,
news.
very good. Keep it up, Santa. 3 cheers for
No,
Santa. Hip hip
I have
hooray, hip
taken
hip
out the
hooray,
lyrics,
hip
so
hip
I'll
hooray.
all sing along with you. I did
Sure.
not have the lyrics, so I'm searching for it.
Okay.
Let's sing again.
Yes.
Jingle bell, jingle bell,
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Hooray.
oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. मेरा तो गया. Crashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, laughing as we go, happy all the way. Round the town we ride, makes no difference where. With my baby by my side, I don't really care. Oi, jingle bell, jingle all the way. This much only I can sing now.
Oh, what fun it is to rise in a one-horse open
In one horse open sleigh.
Lovely.
Hey,
3
hey,
cheers for
hey.
Come on,
Santa
let's all
Claus.
clap for each other.
Hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Yes.
Yes. So with that beautiful carol that Santa Claus has already sung and made the entire Christmas spirit come alive, me being a reindeer would like to present a small Christmas carol for all of you. I hope you
Yes.
like it. And it's something that we heard as children, and I'd like to sing it for you.
How
It's called
lovely.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Hmm. It's Santa's favorite reindeer.
Is it? Is it?
Yes.
I hope I am able to impress you so that I can, guide you and take the sleigh. further, Santa. So let's see if I do justice to your song. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as he shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as he shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Thank you.
Wow. Beautiful.
So well sung, Poona.
You
Beautiful.
really impressed him,
Very
Santa.
Thank
Beautiful.
you. Thank you so much, dear Santa. If I'm able to impress you, I hope I'm useful to you because I know we have
You'll get a wonderful gift, a nice gift, surprise.
Wow. Wow. You've already decided what gift I'm going to get?
Yes.
And will I get on 25th or now?
No, 25th. 25th.
25th.
The date cannot be changed.
Okay. You just got me a little, curious.
So we have got Rudolph the impatient reindeer.
Reindeer.
Agreed. I was like totally impatient. I thought impress करके gift पहले ढाप लूं,
हाँ, सच में.
Then you would become naughty. Ah?
Not you.
then I'll keep her in the naughty list. मतलब naughty boy and naughty reindeer दो आ जाएंगे.
ये दो आ जाएंगे.
Okay, so I hope, dear viewers, you're enjoying us on the Neelam Saxena page. The entire LWG team is here. There are 6 beautiful guests out here to entertain you this Christmas celebration. And as we wrap up our celebration, I would like to invite Nivedita ji to share a final Christmas message for a cheerful tomorrow. Over to you, Nivedita ji.
First of all, the most cheerful thing is that we all are together and we are living the spirit of Christmas, which is always to spread joy. And a big thank you to Anup Jalanji and to Poona for, partnering together for organizing such a beautiful show, making all of us a part of it. And I'm so happy to be a part of this show. So thank you for inviting us. I will, on the parting note, just tell you something which is another very significant story related to Christmas, and it has a very deep meaning. So, like you all have heard that when we display the manger scene next to Jesus's manger, you will see 3 kings, one bent over, 2 standing straight with gifts in their hands. Has anybody heard that story out of the 6 guests here? That there were 3 kings from the east who visited Jesus because a star was guiding them. And also, when the King Herod heard about it, he became a very jealous person that who is the new person born who's going to take my place. So he wanted the kings to come back to him and tell where is he so he could kill baby Jesus. So the gifts that they brought were gold, frankincense and myrrh. Sona, mur, loban. Sona इसलिए क्योंकि the belief with the Christian community is that he is the King of Kings. Frankincense is his, he will be, his message, his love, his story will spread like, frankincense, खुशबू की तरह फैलेगा सारे संसार में. और myrrh is because he will be crucified. So it is related to the death of Jesus. So 2 things I want to say, that the 3 kings made their own decision and they went to a different way. They did not get scared of Herod and said that हम जाके बताएंगे ताकि वो उसको मार दे, वो चले गए. तो सबसे बड़ी चीज है जिस चीज में आपको प्रसन्नता मिलती है और जो आपको सही लगती है लेकिन उस सही में किसी का नुकसान नहीं होता, वो सही जरूर करें। बस यही क्रिसमस स्पिरिट होती है, स्प्रेड होप, लव, पीस एंड जॉय।
Thank you so much, Nivedita ji. That was truly a very beautiful closing message to all our viewers that this is a season of joy, cheer, harmony, love, and let us all come together as one big family and celebrate Christmas and not forget our roots. And Nivedita ji, you've actually touched upon many certain stories which a lot of us were not aware. Some of us were, and we didn't know the complete story. So thank you for explaining the entire significance of the Christmas festival. And before we say goodbye, I would like to again thank all our lovely viewers for celebrating Christmas with us. I know it's a little bit in advance, but wishing you, all of you, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Uh, each one of us is going to give a small message to our viewers, starting with the naughty boy Anup Jalanji. Anup ji, what would you like to tell our viewers before we close?
Don't be like Purna. Don't put innocent people in a naughty list. Everybody is innocent till proven guilty in a court of law. So everybody should be nice, everybody should be treated like a good boy, and everybody should be given presents.
That is wonderful, Anup uncle. That is so true. Behind every naughty boy is a good little boy who deserves a gift. And why should we make the
Yes.
naughty boy cry?
Yes.
Wahida, ma'am, you are Santa Claus. And what would you like to tell our viewers?
Ho, 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 ho. First of all, I would like to say, let me remove this. Now it's becoming very itchy. Huh?
Yes. Please. Please.
Yes, we
Please.
would like to see your face.
Ah.
So,
Yes, good.
a very
नकाब
important message.
हटाया तो चेहरा नजर आया.
नजर आया.
I would like to really say that, of course, Santa Claus Christmas is all about giving, we say. And it's really about giving. It's not only about gifts, it is about giving everything. Like, in the form of not materialistic things, but happiness, empathy. That is what we lack. These are the times, there are so many things going on in this world, and we really require that kind of empathy towards everyone. What happiness, like, we become so national. Of course, we are patriotic, we love our country, but let us start thinking beyond our country. There's a world outside. We have stopped thinking about that world. We think we are very comfortable in our own zone, nothing is happening. Because we are comfortable, the world is comfortable. We lack empathy. So let us give that happiness, empathy, and let us spread love. That is love and peace. That is what is the Christmas message from my side to you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, dear Santa, Wahida ma'am, for giving that beautiful message to all our viewers. And I would like to now call upon our gothic horror Christmas story writer who weaved a beautiful Christmas story for us to share her parting thoughts for today evening.
Actually, Purna, if you look at Christmas and all the other festivals as of that mean something to each and everybody in each and every religion, they're all related to nature. Even Christmas is somewhere related to nature. You have the tree coming inside your house, but with that, we have become very careless about nature, that I would say. So instead of just celebrating festivals, let us celebrate nature as it is and save nature in each and every aspect of our life. And when we do that, the darkness that is there in our soul, it will somehow, I feel, it will melt like the snow. Yes, it will go down, and the brightness that is there in us, the humanity that is like fading away slowly, might come back again. You never know. So that is what I feel. So this is what I would like everybody to do, that though there is darkness in us, I mean, I feel that all humans are on a gray scale. There is good, there is bad, but you look at
Bad.
the good. You look at the good only. Don't look at the bad, because if you look at the bad, you are actually looking at yourself in the mirror. So that is what it is. Thank you.
So true, so true. That is amazing, Meera ma'am. I do believe that you are completely right over here. Christmas is all about, you know, measuring the grayness between, I mean, in all of us human beings and trying to control the bad. So, very well said, Meera ji. I would now like to call upon our melodious singer, carol singer, Urvi Mehta, to share some parting thoughts for today evening before we say goodbye.
Um, like I would like to continue in what Vaida ma'am and Meera ma'am said. Like spread happiness is what Vaida ma'am said, and just be good what Meera ma'am said. But I would like to just add over here, to spread happiness, you have to be happy first. So be happy, keep smiling, and keep singing. Ho ho ho.
Oh,
Oh,
sure.
So true, so true. We need to be happy first. Very well said, Urvi ma'am. Very well said. We cannot pour happiness out of an empty cup, so we need to be full ourselves. And I would like to now invite our narrator, who's actually linked this entire show very beautifully, Nivedita ma'am, to share her parting thoughts on Christmas.
Thank you, Purna. And I will just say the first two lines of a poem I had written for Christmas some years ago. And then I would just request all the guests here that Purna had, with a lot of heart and effort,
Right.
prepared some songs. So if we could just go ahead and sing that that 4 lines of "We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you," the last 4 lines, if it's
Sure.
okay with everybody.
Sure.
So the
Yes.
2 lines just go, which sum up what Wahida said, what Anoopji said, what Meera said, what Urvi said, that there is a reason for this season. And it's not only Christmas. Whether it's Holi, Diwali, Eid, Navroz, everything that we celebrate in our country, there is a deep-rooted connection to the, like Meera said, with
Season.
nature. Nature. There is a deep-rooted connected with humanity and a community sharing.
Sharing.
You know, it's not about only eating a new dress. It's about, I am a part of your community as well. You all are celebrating Christmas. When we get together for Diwali, we are all there together. So this togetherness, this thread that binds us, let us just hold it strong. कहीं से छूटा भी जा रहा है, इस वक्त दिख रहा है सबको, तो हम लोग अगर पकड़ लें तो शायद एक एक करते करते ये जो कड़ी बनेगी, ये बहुत दूर तक ले जाएगी. तो ये खत्म ही हो जाएगा कि ये तेरा क्रिसमस और ये मेरी ईद और ये इसकी दिवाली, ऐसा नहीं. हम सबको वो वीव करके रखना है, that fabric together. Let's weave it together. And only for Purna to make this beautiful girl not to regret that she had 3 songs up her sleeve and we are not able to do just this part. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas 3 times, and then from the bottom of my heart. That's it.
Sure. Let's all sing together.
Purna, you take the lead. And Urvi ji, aap play lead.
Sure. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We wish you a
Merry Christmas. We wish you a
wish
Merry
you a Merry
Christmas.
Christmas and a Happy
And a
New
Happy
Year.
New Year. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you
everybody.
so much. Thank you, Nivedita ma'am, for appreciating the carol singing, and thank you for giving us a chance to showcase whatever we could sing. And thank you, dear guests, for being in character throughout the evening.
True.
Very very grateful to you, and Anup uncle for this entire envisioning this entire night. It was all his brainchild. So, and Wahida ma'am, you were
Thank
a
you.
perfect Santa Claus. Thank you, Meera ma'am. Thank you, Urvi ma'am.
Thank you
You
so
provided
much.
entertainment. And
Thank you.
Nivedita
Thank you
ma'am,
to you. Thank you, Purna. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
such a thanks to Purna for this, for handling
Yeah.
it so beautifully.
Lovely host.
Yeah,
thank
lovely.
you so
And
much.
thank you for your stories, Nivedita. It was really, enlightening, I should say. There are so many things we did not know.
Yes.
Yes. We've had a wonderful night, and wishing all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from all of us at LWG. We are saying good night.
Good
Bye.
night.
Adios.
Bye.
Bye.